It's raining again today. Oh, another day, another package. Let's see what we've got. It's a case for a P20 Pro. Mobile phones, bags. Case, yep. Got this from AliExpress. Just like a website like Wish. Cheap goods, but if you look hard enough, you can find some quality stuff. It's a case with comes with a glass screen protector. It's pretty good. Nice. Doesn't seem to have any impact protection, but it does have the lips around the front and back. Full protection. Now I'll install it. So this is my P20 Pro at the moment. Just have this vegan case on it. And this little sticker thing on it that just lets me hold the phone however I want. This is the beautiful P20 Pro, just on its own. Put this case on, so I don't know how you put this on. There's the back piece. Yep, there you go. That's actually quite nice as well. I like the camera cut out there, how it separates the third camera and the flash. Buttons are still nice to press. When I put it face down, it's gonna be good. I've got it installed here, but it looks a bit crap because the edges of the screen aren't quite straight. They like curve over the edge and it doesn't really work. But I don't know what's better now, this or the plastic scratched up one or lifted white corners. It's clearer though.